My name is Pranali Tarar. Today's date is 5th March 2022. Sorry, 5th April 2022. And my today's topic is SQL. Different types of command in SQL. The SQL means that the structured query language is used to perform operations on the records stored in the database, such as then updating records, inserting records, deleting, creating and modifying records, and database tables, fields, etc. SQL is not a database system, but it is a query language. Because SQL is widely used in data science and analytics. The reason which explain widely used for widely used, the basic use of SQL for data professional and SQL user is to insert, update and delete the data from the relational database. The SQL allows the data allows the data professionals and users to retrieve the data from the relational database management system. It also helps them to describe the structured database. The create command. This command is help in creating the tables, creating the new database and new tables, table views and other objects of the database. Then update commands. This command help the update and changing the stored data in the database. Then delete command. This delete command help the remove and erasing the save records from the database tables. Then multiple tables from the tables of the database. Then select command. Select command helps the accessing the single or multiple rows from one or multiple tables of the database. Then we can also use this command with the where clause. And drop commands. This command helps in deleting the entire table view and other objects from the database. Then insert command. This command help is inserting the data or record into the database table. We can easily insert the records in single as well as multiple rows of the tables. Then the order by clause. In SQL will help us to sort the records based on the specific column of a table. This means that all the values stored in the column on which we are applying order by clause will be sorted. Column values will be displayed in the sequences in which we have obtained the values using the order by clause. We can sort the records in ascending or descending order as per our requirements. The record will be sorted in ascending order whenever the ASI keyword is used to order by clause. The DAC keyword is ordered by descending order. Then SQL as is used to assign a new name temporarily to a table, column or even a table. It makes an easy presentation of query result and allow the development to label result more accurately without permanently remaining table column or even the table it. We also include that the sum, average, max, mean, different types of query, different types of command are used in this SQL. The mean command is used for the average command is used for the